Now the last part. How firstly we have to create an account in the GitHub. And let me create. And you can randomly do that I created. I don't know when. Yes. Okay, come on. Kind of monkey like this. Everything will come. Actually, I have created my account, so I'm not doing like this. I'm just signing in. You can see now I've just signed in so fast. After that, you will get a after create account. You will have a thing like this. Click on Splash, new repository. Then enter this things like my first website. Everything is available over here. You can see this will be shown like this. As no, you can't get the spaces in between. Now, how can we add the now creating a new file? Then you can write index dot html. Now you can see. Now we need to copy this whole code. See, done. Just one error. Yep, done. And you can see this is option of commit new file. Done. Like this you can do for this too. It's just been done. You can see the file has been created. Then we click on add file, create new file. This time we have to write a little changed thing. We have tried style.css. Done. Now what we have to do is simply just go over here, copy this and paste it over here. Done. Now you again go down, commit changes. Let me new file, sorry. Now if you have added something in this JavaScript also, you can also copy it and paste it over here. Right now I've done both. Now go for settings, simple. Now go down. Look at the GitHub pages. Now go, click on check it out here. You can see now. Click on the source, none. It should be me. Then it will be saying site is ready to be published at this. Now you can see. You can see if you click now, as the website is not published yet, it is ready when now your site is published. Then try. You can see your website has been published in the Google or the web, and anybody can access it if you give the link or they search. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next how to videos. Bye.